The hardest part about building an AI startup isn't the AI anymore, it's the infrastructure. For the past year, if you wanted to build an autonomous agent, you had to spend months doing grueling DevOps, setting up secure sandboxes, managing state persistence, building memory loops, and handling error recovery. Anthropic just made all of that completely obsolete. What you are looking at is the brand new Claude Managed Agents platform. They are literally giving you the infrastructure layer that you used to have to build yourself. They provide the brain, the world's most capable reasoning model, Claude Opus, and the hands, isolated Linux containers that execute code, browse the web, and run shell commands in a completely secure environment. You define the goal, and Anthropic handles the compute, the memory, and the execution. But listen to me very carefully. Anthropic just handed everyone the exact same engine, which means the tech itself is no longer your competitive advantage. The only thing that separates the people making millions in AI from the people making zero is the blueprint. They have the engine, but they don't know how to build the car. That is exactly why the AI Money Forge is the most dangerous community on the internet right now. We are an army of builders. When you join our VIP school community, you unlock the absolute holy grail, the Forge Arsenal. This is a private, curated database of over 1,000 battle-tested tools, but more importantly, it houses our proprietary agent blueprints. I am giving you the exact step-by-step standard operating procedures to build custom computer use agents, automated outbound sales stacks, and massive content engines. We give you the code, the templates, and the exact workflows to take platforms like Claude Managed Agents and turn them into cash-flowing autonomous businesses. Do not get left behind while we build the future. Click the first link in the description, get inside the Forge, grab your blueprints, and let's get back to the breakdown. So, how fast can you actually deploy this? Anthropic has boiled it down to 4 steps. Define your agent, configure the environment, launch the session, and monitor the output. No servers, no security systems to patch, everything runs natively on Claude's cloud infrastructure. And look at the enterprise use cases they are already shipping. This isn't a toy. This is deploying a fleet of autonomous financial analysts that pull uninvoiced invoices from Box, reconcile line items, and draft legal memos automatically. It's deploying DevOps agents that pull Jira tickets, patch bugs, run unit tests, and open PRS without a single human intervention. And the pricing model completely shatters the traditional software agency. You pay only for what you use. Active session runtime is 8 cents an hour. Let me repeat that. You are paying 8 cents an hour for a senior-level digital employee that never sleeps. Look at this direct comparison between managed agents and building it yourself. DIY means months of engineering, custom checkpointing, manual log instrumentation, and massive server costs. Claude Managed Agents gives you automatic self-improvement, built-in secure sandboxing, and full console observability from day one. Your competitors are already deploying this. If you've ever tried to build complex agents locally, you know this exact nightmare. You hit out-of-memory errors, your Docker containers crash, your loops break, and you spend 90% of your time fixing infrastructure instead of building logic. Now, look at the alternative. This is the Claude Managed Agents dashboard running a live investment thesis for a buyout. It is a thing of beauty. You can visually track the timeline as the orchestrator agent delegates tasks to a reporter, an analyst, and a forecaster. It scans data rooms, reads income statements, and writes the code to process CSV files, all natively within Anthropic's secure cloud. And for the advanced developers, Anthropic just unlocked the holy trinity of agentic workflows via their API. 1. Native multi-agent routing. You can code an engineering lead agent that autonomously spins up and delegates tasks to a reviewer agent and a test writer agent. 2. Outcomes. You can define a strict markdown rubric, and the agent loop will not stop iterating until every single unit test passes cleanly. And 3. Webhooks. Once the outcome is perfectly achieved, the agent triggers a webhook to push the completed work directly into your external software stack. The infrastructure problem is solved. The only thing left to do is build. Click the link below, get inside the AI Money Forge arsenal, and start deploying your empire today. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.